Dota 2 is a free-to-play multiplayer online battle arena video game, which developed by Valve Corporation. The game is the standalone sequel to Defiance of Ancients. Dota 2 is played in matches between two teams of 5 players, with each team occupying and defending their own separate base on the map. Each of 10 players independently can choose a powerful character, known as a hero, who all have unique abilities and differing styles of play. Each year there is an international match for Dota 2, and for 2018 it will be held in Vancouver. We will use the Markov chains to give an analysis of the most powerful team, LGD.
There are only two possible outcomes for the game: either they win the game or lose the game. However, based on the data from the internet, we found out that the probability they win the next game is based on the last two games they did. If they got win-win, the probability win next game is about 0.9. And if they lose the first game and win the second game, the probability win the third game is about 0.95. If they lose the two games, the probability they win the next game is about only 0.2. And if they win the first game and lose the second game, the probability they win the third game is about 0.4. And based on the knowledge we get from stat333, we made a Markov chain. First, the star 0 can only go to star 0 or star 3. Star 0 is win-win, so we can only get win-win-win or win-win-lose, which connected 0 to 0 and 0 to 3. So the probability from 0 to 0 is the probability they win the third game, where they have already win the first and second game. So the probability from 0 to 0 is 0.9. And from the probability 0 to 3 is they win the first two games and then lose the last game, which is 1 minus 0.9 and is 0.1. Similarly, they can get from state 1 to state 0 and state 3. State 1 is lose-win, so they can only get lose-win-win and lose-win-lose, which is from 1 to 0 and 1 to 3. So by the same principle, we get the probability from 1 to 0 is 0.95, and the probability 1 to 3 is about 0.05. And by repeating this, we got the whole Markov chain that we can have the analysis. And finally, we hope that LGD can do great at the International 2018.